Thank you, Mr. Moderator. Fellow discussants, distinguished participants, I deem it a great honor to be here with you today at this plenary ministerial panel that seeks to deliberate on the evolving geospatial policy for national and regional development. It has always been a great pleasure to be associated with geospatial media communications on such noble occasions. Once again, we are presented with a rare opportunity for world-renowned experts, scientists, industry giants, the academia, end users, researchers, and policymakers from the field of geospatial technology across the globe to share a common platform to exchange knowledge and experiences, and most importantly, to update ourselves on the current update and direction that geospatial technology presents to world development. On behalf of the Ghanaian delegation here present, I bring you warm regards and felicitations from the government and people of Ghana. I wish to express my personal appreciation to the authorities of the city of Geneva for hosting this forum, and indeed to the organizers, Geospatial Media Communications, and sponsor. It is no secret that spatial data is the key to planning and sustainable management and the development of our natural resources at national, regional, and local levels. It is also fundamental to the development of the economic and social infrastructure, provision of community services, effective government administration, and resolution of community conflicts. The advent of digital mapping with the powerful tools provided by geographic information systems has resulted in a revolution in the mapping and created an appetite for spatial data across a broad range of users. In Ghana, there is growing activity in the development and application of GIS in the various agencies in Ghana. That is, the Land Administration Project has initiated the development of land information systems for the land sector agencies. An urban management land information system has been developed under the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. Under the Land Use Planning and Management sub-project of the LAP, that's Land Administration Project, a land use planning management information systems has been developed. This is exclusive of other systems and structures developed by other government agencies and the private sector. There is concern that these systems are being introduced independently with limited coordination and without appropriate mechanisms for achieving the benefit which flow from a capacity to integrate all geospatial information across the nation. Indeed, Ghana as a nation envisaged the need for policy guidelines on the development of geospatial policies long ago with the development of a national land policy in 1999 that envisaged a geospatial framework database or national spatial data infrastructure. Now, this infrastructure would be established to serve as a backbone for an integrated land information system that will link and network all agencies that acquire and use spatial data in the country. In furtherance to this, since assuming office as a Minister of State over a year ago, we have fervently worked on developing 3 key policies, namely a survey and mapping policy, a geodetic reference network policy, and a national spatial data infrastructure policy for Ghana. These, among others, involve policies for the creation of a national infrastructure for the generation, availability of, and access to organized spatial data to be used at community, local, state, regional, and national levels to meet the requirements of spatial data for sustainable development. It has also been decided that a national spatial data agency should be established under a legislation to oversee a national Special Data Center. The legislation will set out essential operational features of the agency and the broad policy issues in special data capture across the country. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, just like most African countries, Ghana is going through a process of modernizing its land administration system. This includes improvements in the business process through re-engineering, introduction of ICT in the operations of our agencies, and decentralizing services to the local level. My ministry, through the Ghana Land Administration Project, is in the process of developing an integrated land information system for Ghana. The integrated land information system will remove duplication and provide efficiency in service delivery. This will have several functions, including a mapping function to integrate all special data through time, a document management function to collate all relevant titles, deeds, and indentures, a case management functionality that traces a case from application to closure, tracking, and audit trail, a billing and revenue collection functionality that can support efficient revenue collection, tracking, and management, and a user management function which will have employees' roles and performance, audit trail, performance enhancement, training, and motivation. This is the heart of the system to support the ongoing reform and will lead to efficiency, more skilled and faster transactions, increased revenue, and better land management. Other interventions on the lab include a new land bill that includes provisions for the legal framework for some of the interventions in the geospatial environment, preparation of up-to-date base maps, including the use of LiDAR, establishment of a geodetic reference network, a national spatial development framework, and a street addressing and property identification system for Accra, the capital. These special products will be used for delivery of services, monitoring purposes, and also for agricultural purposes. All these have been done in close collaboration with the private sector. In the mining sector, together with agric and forestry, which accounts for about 70% of Ghana's GDP, the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources is undertaking an airborne geographic survey over substantial parts of the country. This will enable the preparation of a resource map leading to the diversification of the mineral production base of Ghana's economy. Other uses of geospatial data in the mining sector currently include the carrying out of an environmental impact assessment and the National Strategic Assessment Program to measure the effect of past, current, and future consequences of large-scale mining operations. The Mercury Pollution Abatement Project, which seeks to find alternative gold processing methods for small-scale gold miners to eliminate the use of mercury. We are also exploring the possibility of using drones to monitor forest degradation and effects of illegal mining by small-scale miners. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, unclarified land tenure system and land litigation, of which there are quite a number in our country, scares away investment. It is therefore gratifying to note the increasing role geospatial technologies are playing in improving the governance and administration of land, including the resolution of disputes on land. In all these interventions, government has not lost sight of the need for available skilled professionals to drive the process. The ministry therefore commissioned a comprehensive human needs assessment of the land sector agencies based on a 3-year human resource development plan. This is both short-term and long-term. My ministry is also strengthening the capacity of academic and research institutions. We are currently examining proposals for the establishment of a state-of-the-art GIS laboratory for the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology to boost training in GIS-based ICT skills. In conclusion, I wish to commend the organizers Geospatial Media Communications for the team chosen for this forum, Geosmart Planet, Resources plus Infrastructure, and you, and for inviting me. The theme captures the essence and interest of all of us gathered here for these few days, and especially for us from Africa, where the need for embracing the applications of geospatial technology and infrastructure has become more crucial than ever in our effort at improving the livelihood and transforming the social economic conditions of the greatest majority of our people. I wish to take this opportunity to invite you to Ghana to take part in our quest to use geospatial technologies to increase efficiency and thus improve all sectors of the economy in order to alleviate poverty. I wish you, on behalf of the people and government of Ghana, a fruitful forum. Thank you so very much.